What's up, guys? This is your boy FPV Larry, and I'm back with another one. Today's vlog a little bit different. I got a new toy today, so therefore we finna get it right in tune. So first off, I want to tell y'all like and subscribe to this video, man. Then I want to say how y'all doing, cuz out there. So today's episode begins with a little bit of got an electric bike. I call it a guy bike, but it'd probably be a kite bike. I don't know. But yeah. It goes 30 miles per hour. It get up to 80 to 90 miles. Fully charged battery. It got front lights. It got tail lights. Got your operator thing right here. You power it on. They got a digital thermometer to tell you how fast you go. It says it get up to 30. Brake lights work. Got your headlights. Nice dull black. So let's get right into it, man. They said it goes 30 miles per hour. So we finna see what that be like. I'm not gonna do the whole 30. I'm not finna kill myself. Oh yeah, it already come halfway assembled, like 90% assembly when you order it. And they got 7 speeds on it. You can see the speeds right here. There you go. And then you got the 5 speeds right here to tell you how fast it goes. It got 5 gears on it. All right, we got it in first gear right now. Let's get into it. Whoa. Oh, that joint pulled right off. Oh yeah, that's first gear. 8 miles on first gear. All right, we pop it in second gear. All right, y'all, this is when I'm paddling too, so this is not electric because I got you guys in my hand, so I can't go all the way electric. But third gear. By me paddling, I should get the same effect as the electric. Let's go into fourth gear. '23 and fourth. Let's go to fifth. '28. I hit a bump. I had to slow down right there, y'all. It seemed like you get up to 30. That was 28 right there. And I was working with one hand. Oh, I was working with one hand right there, guys. One hand. Got up to 28. Oh, that was kind of scary going 28. That was kind of scary going 28 with one hand. Also, when you start doing it just kicks off. It takes off fast. All right, we got a little stretch right here. Let's see if we can do it. Speed limit 25. hit 30. There go 30 for y'all. There go y'all 30 right there, man. Woo! That was nice. There go that 30 for y'all. Y'all saw that 30. But yeah, I call it my guy bike. But it'd probably be some other type of bike, but it's gonna be a guy bike to me. Pretty cool, man. Nice. It's durable. It got dual shocks on it. Yeah, it's comfortable seating and very transportable. So yeah, if y'all looking into e-bikes, man, get y'all an e-bike, man. Thank you for watching this video and liking, subscribing. Just want to tell you guys all about my new toy. Peace.